am officially freaking monetized. I am so happy. Oh my god. I'm so happy, dude. Like, I don't even know what to say. I really don't. Like, I literally woke up. I was trying to find, I usually go through my videos like in the mornings, and I went through my videos and all I see is like dollar signs. I'm like, and then I just hurry up and go on my computer and it's like, congratulations, you're monetized. I'm so happy, you guys. Like, I have no words. I really don't. I'm doing a Cash App giveaway just because I love you guys and I'm appreciative and I'm super freaking happy. I don't know when yet though, so just stay tuned, you guys, but it's coming. Cash App giveaway is coming. And yeah, let's just get into this. I really want to talk to you guys about my monetization, but I will be doing that in a different video. You know, I'm gonna be like telling you guys like good stuff. But today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing more Halloween stuff. If you saw my last video, you saw that I tried to do a spider. I attempted to do a spider. I feel like it was pretty decent, but today we're gonna try to kick it up a notch and get into this Pennywise. I saw this makeup look that was really like, I'm like, I can do that. So we're gonna try to do Pennywise on the face. I'm gonna use red. I'm wearing red right now just to match the makeup. And yeah, without further ado, I always forget to tell you guys that I did my eyebrows already, so yeah. Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me just tell you guys, I love this look, especially the eyes. However, like, I feel like this look could have been better. You guys saw that I was kind of struggling, and you can probably see in the video I say oh my gosh a lot, just because I'm using lipstick, you guys. I'm using literal lipstick to do I had to do my eyeliner, I had to do these. Like, it's just crazy. If I had like liquid red liner, I feel like it would have been much easier. But other than that, I feel like everything looks good. I love my eyeshadow. What do you guys think? Just comment down below. Other than that, you guys, that is that. And I will be back. I'm doing one more look. I'm probably gonna be like doing the Joker. I saw one that looked really good with the Joker, and I want to do that. And I also want to let you guys know, eyelashes freaking suck. I didn't have any other eyelashes, so I was like, these ugly things are gonna have to do. I feel like the look would have been better with different eyelashes as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on. You guys, I'm freaking monetized. I'm so happy. And yes, I'll be back with the next video.